Morning guys, here we've got Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5 and let me show you how to change keyboard language. At first you have to open new message. Then open keypad. So this is our keyboard language, the one that we currently have. To switch it, you have to mark the settings. Then go to Languages and Types, and here click on Manage Input Languages. Choose the one that you want to use, unmark the current one, go back, give it a sec, and mark the word icon if it's not applied automatically, and here it is. Here you've got your brand new keyboard language. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.